Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about the term nutrition from the chapter Life Processes of class 10th. So start with the term nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of nourishing or being nourished, or in simple words we can say that the intake of food is called nutrition, or the food which we eat provides us nutrition. So it is very important for our body as it provides energy to our body, which is very important for our body. Next, the term nutrients, which is related to the nutrition. So what are nutrients? These are substances which are required by our body for the growth, repair and maintenance of the body. So there are different type of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, minerals, etc. etc. So these are very important for our repair and growth mechanism. So next come to the mode of nutrition. So what are the mode of nutrition? There are two type of mode of nutrition. One is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. So start with the autotrophic mode of nutrition. As we know that auto means self and trophic means food. So it is the mode of nutrition in which the organism prepare their own food. Like we can take the example of plants. Plants perform the process of photosynthesis through which they can make their own food. So as we can see, autotrophs are further categorized as two types. First one is photoautotroph and second one is chemoautotroph. So first, photo means light. So the organisms which utilize the sunlight for preparing their food are called photoautotroph. Second is chemoautotroph. So chemo means, as the word indicates, chemicals. So the organisms that use the chemical energy for preparing their food is called chemoautotroph. Then next come to the second mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic mode. Hetero means different and trophic means food. So the organisms which derive their food from the other animals or plants, they are called heterotrophic organisms or heterotrophic mode of nutrition they are having. For example, human being. So these are further categorized into several types. First start with herbivores. So herbivores are the organism or animals that eat plant only. They feed on only on green plants. Okay, so examples are cow, goat, etc. Second one is carnivores. These are the organisms that feed only on the flesh. For example, lion, vulture. Next, third one is omnivores. Actually, omnivores is the combination of herbivorous plus carnivorous. So actually they feed on both plants as well as animals. So we can take the case of ours humans. So we eat both plants as well as meat. As in the case of dogs also, they consume both plants, vegetables, like and any animal meats on also. Next one is detritivores. So the organism that feed on dead organic matters or remains. So example is earthworm. Next come to sanguivorous. So it is the category which feed on blood. Example leech. Next is frugivorous. Frugivorous is, as the name indicates, frugi means fruit. The organism which feed on fruits are called frugivorous. Example is parrot. And last one is insectivorous. The organism or plants that feeds on the insects. So we can take the example of bats, and in the case of plants we can take the example of pitcher plant. Okay, so thank you. If you have any query, comment it down and like, share and subscribe.